Hello, and welcome to Revo Tech Talk, a continuing series of how-to videos to help you maximize your Revo system quickly and efficiently. This edition, how to install Revo Mobile to Android phones. Let's get started. However, before we really get started, we are assuming that you have already set up your Revo video monitoring system and have that DVR successfully networked through your business or home's router so that the DVR has no issues with making contact with the internet. If this has not been done, Revo Mobile will not work. You will need to stop and refer back to networking your DVR in the owner's manual before proceeding here. To start viewing your Revo system through your Android smartphone, you will first, if you have not already done so, need to go to the Android app market, now known as Google Play, and download the Revo Mobile app. Noting that every manufacturer's phones are slightly different, button placement on your phone might be different from the one that we're using here for this demonstration. Now, after the Revo Mobile app has finished downloading, using your finger, tap on the app to activate it. The phone we're using here is an LG Android platform phone. On your phone, you will need to press the menu key to add a new site. The first thing to enter will be a site description. This is something to help you remember and differentiate from multiple DVRs you might have. The description can be something as simple as work, store number 3, or home. Now, if you're using a DVR name that you named the DVR when you set it up, you'll want to set Use DVRNS to on. If you're using a static IP, DVRNS should be off. In the address area, you will either enter the name of the DVR that you set when you first set up your Revo system, or the IP address if you're using a static IP address. Refer back to setting up your DVR for more information on this if you have forgotten. The port should always be 8016, which is the watch port. Enter your user ID and password into the respective spaces. Remember, a user ID is different to the DVR name. In username, you will then need to enter admin, A-D-M-I-N, in all lowercase. If you did not enter a password in DVR setup, that's fine. Leave this blank here. That's it. That's all there is. You're all set up now. Next, tap the Connect button. Revo Mobile will connect to your DVR, and a screen showing your cameras will populate. To view a single camera, simply tap on that camera. To go back to a multi-view, you will see layout boxes on the top middle. Press on the 4 boxes for a 4-camera view, or press on the 9 boxes for a 9-camera view. Remember that your phone, the phone service provider and their signal, and your DVR's internet service are all factors into how quickly your DVR video will show to your phone. Swiping from left to right will allow you to go through all the cameras that you have plugged in one at a time. This will also work on the 4-camera viewing page, going from 4 cameras to the next 4. If you do not have a camera plugged in, or if the camera is disconnected and/or malfunctioning, the camera viewing box will show no video. Down at the bottom left, you will see the data that is being used to see your cameras. Down at the bottom right, you will see the transfer speed. Now here's something new to the Revo America Android application. Revo Mobile for Android now has audio capabilities included when viewing your cameras on your mobile device. When you are in the watch mode looking at one individual camera, down at the bottom you will notice the new speaker icon. Simply press it to begin listening to audio from that camera. Audio only works on one camera at a time, and a very good carrier connection is needed. Refer to your DVR's owner's manual for which specific channels are audio capable and how to turn on audio monitoring for those channels. Audio monitoring will have to have been enabled from the DVR menu system first before it will ever be able to be monitored through the Android device. In order to turn off the audio, simply press the audio icon once more. Intelligent, mobile, remote. Revo, out of sight, peace of mind.